I went to a chiropractor because I had some neck pain. And I want to share some of the amazing sales technique this guy used. We first started off with like a diagnostics where he was like doing a thorough examination. And during the examination, he asked me leading questions. For example, he asked me, can you put your finger over here and can you put your other finger over here? And what he wanted to show me was that there was a misalignment between like my head and my chest. So instead of telling me that I had a misalignment of my head, he asked me, can you tell me if they are aligned? Are those 2 points on the same line? So I was answering the question. I was basically telling myself, yes, you are right. There is like a slight misalignment. So, and the power in that is, if you are the person yourself doing the diagnostic, it's your thought. Think about the movie Inception. A thought that is originated in your own mind is 1,000 times more powerful than when someone is trying to insert something else into your mind. If he tells me, yeah, you're misaligned, I might block this off. But if I'm coming to my own conclusion that I am actually misaligned, I believe this on a much deeper level than if anyone else is telling me this. This was really great. He went through all the different misalignment. He showed me those on the map. And then he asked me, can you see which part is higher, which part is lower? So he made me basically confirm the diagnostics, which was a really cool point. Another one of the cool sales techniques the guy was using was basically taking pictures. I'm going to take a picture now, and after 12 treatments, we're going to take another picture, and you're going to see like an improvement of at least 50%. And by showing me this, like from angles you don't normally see, like from the side or from the back, this is really a great way where you basically saying, yeah, I can actually prove it. And it's measurable results. It's not just like telling you 50% improvement. You actually have a visual anchor to those two images and to the different curves which showed you like the imbalances. So that's a really great way when you can give some tangible results that you can later confirm. This makes it much more convincing to anyone if you want to sell something. If you can show them, this is where we are now. If we continue to work on this, we can get probably into this range. Use visuals in your sales practice, and you're going to make much better conversions, overall sales. And then after the treatment, which was working really well, I had no pain. So that was a really great point when you make the upsell or when you ask someone to make the purchase. When someone is on a high note, that's another good point you can remember. If you're giving a client or customer a quick win and they are on a high note, that's the perfect time. You have shown some success. They feel that dopamine rushing through their brain. This is the right time to ask for a sell. He showed me like a treatment plan which consisted out of three parts, and he showed me different options. He said if you want to have quick success, you want to come 3 times per week. You can come less if you want to have slower progress. So he was first testing me on like how urgent is this problem to me. And then he was providing me with information where he said, you need at least 12 sessions to go through phase 1. What he basically was doing, he was trying to synchronize with like my willingness to pay. Do I want to pay the full, the first starter package, which will get me through phase 1, or do I buy the entire package for phase 1, 2, and 3? What he was doing was actually something much, much smarter. He asked me, so which of those 3 options do you want? He didn't ask me, do you want to sign up for the treatment plan? He asked me, which of the 3 treatments plan works best for you? So he was basically taking out the yes or no question. He was more reducing it to a yes 1, yes 2, yes 3. And also that might seem like a little psychological trick, but it actually works. It's a small one, like you can't sell someone who doesn't want to be sold. But by limiting someone's choices, you are directing someone's thought pattern. Now 80% of the time what they're thinking about is like which ones of the options would actually fit best for me. It's not should I do it? Can I afford this? Is it a good investment? You're directing it more into like from yes or no. You're shifting the direction of the question, which one of the three choices works best. And this is a really good recommendation I can give to anyone in any basically decision where you want to convince someone of something. Shift it away from a yes or no question to which choice do you want to have. This is one of the best sales techniques in the world. Shifting someone's direction from yes or no to which of the choices do you want to have. Which of the outcomes do you want to have? Do you want to have the quick success, the medium speed success, or the slow success? Do you want to have like the big upfront payment, the biggest saving, or do you want to have smaller packages or installment? Which of the options is the right one for me? Not do you want to pay or do you not want to pay? This is like shifting someone's mind. What do you think of those sales techniques? Which one do you like the best? Do you have used any of those in the past? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more marketing and LinkedIn strategies here on LinkedIn or on YouTube.